Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Taker. In this video, I'll be doing the antutu benchmark comparison between the Samsung Galaxy M51 device, which has a 730G processor Snapdragon, and MI Note 10 Lite, which has the same kind of 730G processor, and the Poco X3 device with the 732G processor, and the MI10 Lite, which has a Snapdragon 765G processor, and it is a OnePlus Nord device which has the same kind of 765G processor. So I did start from the 730G and I did continue till the 765G processors. So in the middle there is one 732G. So both are 730 and both are 765, and one is a 732G processor. So in this video I'll be trying to compare all these antutu benchmark test side by side. So let's see how much the antutu benchmark score difference can be there between all these kind of mobile phones. And in case if you're wondering what kind of live wallpapers I'm using and what kind of punch hole wallpapers I'm using, and all the links will be available in the description for each and every mobile phone as well. In case if you don't know about the more things about MI Note 10 Lite, try to check the links in description regarding both of the smartphones, MI Note 10 Lite and MI 10 Lite. So let me get started with the antutu benchmark application. Let me try to open in all of the applications here which is available. So let me try to open one by one. As you can see, friends, it is a quick summary of all the antutu benchmark scores in all of the smartphones. So right now let me start with the Samsung Galaxy M51 device. Samsung Galaxy M51 as you can see 2,73,000 score. So whereas even the MI Note 10 Lite, which has Snapdragon 730G processor, so both phones are 730G processors and both scored around same kind of range only. 2,73,000. So same kind of similar kind of score is present in both smartphones. So whereas in the Poco X3 device, so which has the Snapdragon 732G processor, which scored slightly above the 730G, if you can clearly observe here. So 2,77,000. So now let me get to the Snapdragon 765 version, so which is kind of very close to premium range mobile segment, I can say definitely. As you can see, MI 10 Lite, which has Snapdragon 765G processor, which scored around 3,21,000, as you can see, friends. So 3,21,000, and here is a quick comparison as well between the CPU and GPU. So I'll try to compare the CPU and GPU later. So first let me try to just talk about the score, how much we got. So it is a OnePlus Nord device, as you can see, friends. OnePlus Nord, which had 3,22,000 score. So both are kind of similar kind of range only. So now let me get started with the CPU and GPU usage. How much difference is there between all of this process? So the CPU and GPU usage, if you compare these two, there is not much difference. So 99,000 to the 1,04,000, there is of 5,000 difference between this two process, and 730G to 730G to 732G, even there is not much difference as well. So 99,000 to only 1,000. I think 1,000 can be difference between both the phones, but there is a huge difference between GPU, as you can see, 71,000 versus 78,000, which is present in the Poco X3 device. So GPU has done very good part here, even in the 765G processor as well. The CPU and GPU are very good, and GPU has got more points, 94,000. So versus 78,000. So this is a quick comparison between all these kind of antutu benchmark versions at same time. So you can see actual score side by side if you compare with the smartphones. And for more videos, make sure to follow me regularly, friends. And thank you for watching this video. And make sure to check the links in description for this kind of amazing wallpapers which I'm using in my videos every time. So you can also download this kind of wallpapers and you can also use in this smartphone as well. And see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.